Welcome back, Vechain family. This video we're gonna have a look on VET, and BTC. Let's start with the dollar, shall we? We're looking on the weekly time frame. You can see we have high volume coming in. People, high volume lately coming in, similar to this kind of volume, and we could be going to make something like that, maybe even bigger. After this long week capitulation volume, we could see a reversal here, a reversal in the long-term trend. Also, it looked like a kinda like a double bottom formation. This one looks like a sharp one, a double bottom. And today we made 40% on the daily. Have a look on the daily time frame. This daily candle with huge volume. Probably a big whale or a company decided to get into the V-chain. Look, the past 2 days we already gained 45%. Congrats to the one who sold at resistance, people. That was a perfect selling. Of course, if you bought VeChain right here, that was a perfect trade to buy at support and sell at resistance. Unfortunately, I'm hodling VET since back in the days right here, so I'm gonna keep hodling it, but this is a massive move on VeChain. We haven't seen some kind of a candle for quite some time. Long time we haven't seen something like that. 40% candle? I don't remember that. Anyway, this could be a shift in the trend. It shows interest. It shows people want to buy that. Of course, we sold. We got into rejection here, and people took some profit. If we're going to look on the 4 hours, you can see this was in one, probably it was one large order. One large order, you can see it went up. Let's have a look on the hour time frame. Yeah, one large order went up. People got to their sell orders, and it sold down. Now it retraced. It had a retrace, and it could be starting a new run up now. All right, let's come back to the 4 hours. Now you can see on the 4 hour. Let's have a look on the EMAs. The EMAs, what they're showing us. We're past the EMAs on the 4 hour. That's bullish. Let's see on the daily. On the daily, we're trading under the EMA. Now look, this is the resistance I'm looking at. I'm keeping my eyes on this resistance on the VET USD. You can see this resistance is a perfect place to take some profit. We're gonna get rejected here. Also, it was support here, resistance here. So this is a very good area to take some profit. We could see a retracement and then a continuation. It's all up to BTC. If BTC will keep his head above 7K, we are in the green, people. Now, this is a very high volume here on the daily, people. I don't know if you noticed that, but this candle is huge. Let's see if we're gonna get some continuation. Of course, let's have a look on the Ichimoku, people. Ichimoku is far over our head. Nothing special here. Oh, I wanted to show you on the Bitcoin. Of course, on the Bitcoin chart, we have a look on the VET BTC, please. Let's have a look. We have this long term. You can see the green trend line. 1 second, we remove the EMAs. You can see the green trend line on the BTC pairing. Oh, right here also, we made a double bottom on this green trend line that's respecting the trend line. We came to touch it here and here, bounced from it, and came back weak underneath it. That was a flash crash, of course, in the stock market crash, and we bounced from it, run up till here, and now we're consolidating. We're consolidating right here. Let's have a look on the weekly here to see where we can see resistance. Weekly resistance is the most important, in my opinion. You can see right here where we got rejection. That was the resistance of these candle bodies, and also all this area right here where we got rejected. So basically, we need to cross this resistance, trade above it for a couple of days, and continue higher over to that resistance right here. If we could conquer this resistance, come up above it, the sky is open. This is open here. Now let's have a look on the daily EMAs on the Bitcoin. We're underneath it, unfortunately, bearish. We need to cross above the EMAs, and they need to look like that. Pink first, then the golden, then the gray. The gray is the 200, need to be in the bottom. So we have a long way to go, people. But what do you think of this move? What do you think of this move? What is the reason for this huge candle? My dear subscribers, you know about fundamentals. Please share your knowledge. What happened to the Vechain right here? Who bought this order? Did you know that? If you know that, please share this information. Please give a thumbs up, like it, and we might see a nice run up the way we had here. This was our first leg up, people. This was the first leg up, and now we're correcting, and now we're starting the next leg up. So hodl, we might see huge altcoin season coming in as well. Another thing I want to show you, please, let's have a look on the Bitcoin dominance, people. Bitcoin dominance going down. Look at that. EMAs is over our heads. Bitcoin dominance, we're looking on the daily right here. You can see a clear topping formation right here. 1, 2, 3 tops right here. We have a clear downtrend trend line. And if Bitcoin going to continue to lose its dominance, alt's going to pop out. Also, Link is popping today. Tezos, all the market is on fire, people. We just need Bitcoin to hold above 7K, and life is good. By the way, if you're trading, just put some stop loss, people. We don't know what's going to happen. Financial markets, you know, coronavirus. Always protect your bags. Stay safe. Stay away from old people. And cheers. Bye-bye.